So it's been an exciting journey for us. We launched beta where we tested with our customers our first product, which is our business banking product, over the summer last year, and we launched the bank late last year. We started with a few hundred customers in beta, around 800 customers or so. Today we've crossed over 11,000 customers, which is fantastic. What is more important is how happy are customers with us. We're getting great positive feedback. Customers are enjoying our product. It's simple for them. It works to enable their business, whether it's the ease of opening the account or how easy it is for them to manage their business using our virtual cards or invoicing services. So we've seen a great uptick and we are fairly pleased with the results. More importantly, the customers are enjoying our product. So we've managed to have 11,000 accounts opened. So we have slightly higher downloads than that. But if you look at a monthly rate, we open over 2,000 business accounts every month. We expect that to increase as more and more customers learn about our product. We are also introducing new price plans to attract different segments of the SME business. So we see this number growing over the next few months. Our ambition is to open up at least 3,000 or 3,000 plus accounts every month. So bringing us closer to the 50,000 mark towards the end of this year. Absolutely. So let me start with the SME because it's the one we've launched. When we started the SME proposition, our objective was we want to become an operating system for the business. So we started with a fairly simple but interesting proposition for largely single owner companies. We have now upgraded that so that multiple owners can now open their accounts. We have also added a capability where you can have an accountant prepare payments for you, and as an owner you can approve it. So we've seen that evolution as far as capability and size of companies go. We've also launched our web platform a few weeks ago, which is seeing fantastic results. We believe it's the most user-friendly SME banking web platform in the market. So we've seen exciting usage of that. The way we see our SME platform grow is we continue to add more services on it to serve the customers. So we've added Swift international transfers to it. We will enhance payments going out. We've partnered with companies like Stripe and Magnati to get you POS and payment options on that, and we'll continue to build this up. So that's the way we see our SME proposition going. We'll bring in credit, a very well demanded product by SMEs. We're going to do it in an innovative way which works for the customer and for the bank. So that is super exciting. On the retail side, we are working on something really interesting. We believe there's many transactional accounts in the market. If you talk to customers, and we've spoken to hundreds of customers, what are they looking for? They are looking for the one solution that helps them achieve more of their goals in their life. So the question is, what do you want to achieve a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now? And that is exactly what we are building. How do you build a financial platform that helps you achieve some of these goals? So we're working on a really interesting concept right now, and then we'll roll it out to the market hopefully late first half of the year or early second half of the year. So part of our retail proposition is going to combine different capabilities of your money habits. So for example, what is the money I have? How do I manage that and optimize and get the most out of it? What is the money I borrow? Which is all the credit, but we don't look at it individually like many of the existing banks do. We look at it as an exposure and how can we help you manage this so you're always making the right choices for you. The third one is money I want to grow, which is your investments. How do we bring all of these three together onto one platform and optimize it so you get the most out of it? So we're building a really interesting user-friendly application that will allow you to manage a lot of this easily and will help guide you when you need to make the right financial decisions. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So if you look at the evolution of digital, yeah, there was a phase where each company individually built everything and took that to market. Yeah. What has shifted now is you have companies doing one thing very well, but it's like going to a grocery store and that just sells milk. Yeah. Nobody wants to go to that grocery store because you'll have to go to 50 of them by the time you're done. That's the same way partnerships are important because customers don't want 50 financial apps. Yeah. What have we done? Our bank has 3 core focus areas. One is launching our own mobile apps, which we've done for the SME. We're going to do one for the retail. And there we've partnered with many companies. We've partnered with Zoho. We've partnered with Magnati. We've partnered with Stripe. Yeah? So where we see rich solutions, we embed them in there. The second big area for partnerships for us is embedded finance. Yeah? This is where we go and work with the digital platform to create a customized solution for customers on that platform. I give you an example. I am an SME selling on an e-commerce platform. Why should I go somewhere else to get a loan for working capital? I should just be able to click on my e-commerce platform. They know all the business I do. I sell on that platform. I should be able to easily access this. Yeah? And similar applies to payments and other banking services. So embedded finance is built fundamentally on this idea that we will partner with somebody else to come up with a solution for you. Yeah? Our third vertical is banking as a service. This is where we bring all the banking capabilities that we've built and give others the ability to use them so they don't have to rebuild them. It could be KYC, it could be payments, it could be card issuance. Yeah? So partnerships is at the core of what we do. We've got about 50 partnerships already within our ecosystem. I expect that to grow exponentially. I expect some to stay with us longer than others, and the person who decides this is the consumer, not us. Yeah? If the consumer sees value in it, the partnership grows. If the consumer doesn't see value in it, then we have to move to the next option. So if we look at security in the first place, we have a fantastic team of security experts. We are also supported by a global team of security companies that ensure our platform is secure, our customers are secure. And this is a top priority for us as a bank. Yep. The second thing is on identity. We connect to the right sources to get real identity. We validate it continuously using things like biometrics, and we ensure your identity is kept confidential and in a safe and secure manner. Yeah? So the two practices ensure, one, you're safe, and second, anything you provide us is secure and kept with us. Yeah, so we've got just about 200 people here. We're very excited, a super talented team from across the world. In fact, we have, I think, 45 nationalities who work for us. Expansion is important. Wio was set up to serve businesses of tomorrow. Yeah? And we believe the UAE is going to become a digital hub, not just in the region around us, but beyond. Yeah? And our ambitions is to grow in this space. Yeah? So when I look at regional expansion, once we've built our technology here, we built it in a manner that is scalable, faster than how traditional platforms are built. So we look at interesting markets in the region, the usual suspects, but we also look to grow beyond the region where we believe we have a core capability that adds value to that market. Yep. So we're very excited, and over the next few years, we'll definitely be expanding to other markets. Yep. That is more regional and global expansion. The second part of our expansion is growing depth in different elements of our business. We started with SME, we're moving into retail, we're going to move into wealth, we're going to move into corporate. Yeah? So we were going to deepen our product portfolio also and serve a broader range of customers as we go by. Yeah? That's just on our mobile banking applications. Yeah? Then embedded finance and banking as a service opens up a whole set of segments that we can serve. So we have very ambitious plans to grow both in the UAE and in the region.